These are the top 5 scariest siren sounds, and number 1 will make your soul uninstall faster than Windows Vista. Comment which one gave you instant goosebumps. But first, you'll have incredible luck for 1 whole week if you like and subscribe before this video ends. Number 5, EOWS 612. This one legit sounds like the sky is downloading a horror update. Nah bro, I'm hiding under the bed. Number 4, WS3000. Imagine a car alarm but possessed by demons. This thing screams louder than your Wi-Fi when it disconnects mid-game. Number 3, Hurricane 130. Sounds like a boss fight intro. If I hear this outside, yeah, I'm out. Delete my respawn. Number 2, WS200R. Why does this sound like Earth is charging a Kamehameha? Bro, run! Number 1, Zero Drone